Best rowing machines. Rowing machines have surged in popularity as more people seek efficient, full-body workouts at home. Buyers increasingly prioritize quality, durability, and smooth resistance systems that replicate on-water rowing. The best rowing machines deliver reliable performance, ergonomic design, and long-term value. In this guide, we evaluate standout options by resistance type, build quality, layout and comfort, technology features, and overall value, helping you choose a machine that fits your fitness goals, space, and budget. Product number 1. Concept 2 Row-Erg Indoor Rowing Machine. Few machines have earned the reputation and trust of the Concept 2 Row-Erg. Widely regarded as the benchmark for indoor rowing, this model is known for exceptional durability and precision engineering. Its air-resistant system delivers a naturally progressive stroke, closely mimicking real rowing dynamics. The feel is smooth, consistent, and suitable for everyone from beginners to competitive athletes. A defining feature is the PM5 Performance Monitor, which provides highly accurate metrics including pace, watts, distance, and stroke rate. The monitor supports Bluetooth and ANT+ connectivity, allowing integration with training apps and heart rate devices. The adjustable footrests and ergonomic handle enhance comfort during long sessions, while the nickel-plated chain ensures longevity with minimal maintenance. The Row-Erg's aluminum front legs and steel rear frame contribute to a sturdy yet relatively lightweight build. It separates easily for storage, making it practical despite its commercial-grade design. While it sits at a premium price point, its reliability, resale value, and performance consistency make it a long-term investment rather than a simple purchase. Product number 2. Meroc Rowing Machines for Home. The Meroc magnetic rowing machine targets users who want quiet operation and modern styling. Unlike air rowers, the magnetic resistance system produces minimal noise, making it ideal for apartments or shared spaces. The 16 resistance levels allow gradual progression, accommodating light cardio sessions as well as more challenging workouts. The machine's compact footprint is one of its strongest advantages. It's designed with home use in mind, offering easy storage without sacrificing structural stability. The sliding rail provides a controlled glide, and the molded seat supports comfortable movement for extended sessions. Beginners will appreciate the predictable resistance curve, which eliminates the abrupt intensity spikes typical of air systems. Technology integration is another highlight. The digital display tracks core metrics, and Bluetooth connectivity enables pairing with companion fitness apps. This adds guided workouts and performance tracking, enhancing engagement for users who thrive on structured training. Although it doesn't replicate outdoor rowing as precisely as air or water rowers, the Meroc model excels in convenience, low maintenance, and quiet performance. For casual fitness enthusiasts or space-constrained homes, it represents strong overall value. Product number 3. Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Rowing Machine. The Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Rowing Machine is a popular choice for budget-conscious buyers seeking reliability and simplicity. Its magnetic resistance system ensures quiet operation and consistent tension throughout the stroke, making it well-suited for steady cardio and endurance workouts. Build quality is solid for its price range. The steel frame offers reassuring stability, while the long slide rail accommodates a broad range of user heights. The padded seat and textured handlebars enhance comfort, reducing fatigue during longer sessions. Adjustable foot pedals with safety straps help maintain proper form and secure positioning. The LCD monitor provides essential workout data, such as time, count, and calories burned. While the display is basic compared to premium machines, it covers the needs of users focused on general fitness rather than advanced performance metrics. Assembly is typically straightforward, another plus for home users. This model is best viewed as a practical entry-level rower. It may lack advanced connectivity or premium materials, but its quiet performance, durability, and affordability make it a dependable option for beginners or those adding variety to a home gym without overspending. Product number 4. Yasuda Magnetic/Water Rowing Machine. The Yasuda Magnetic/Water Rowing Machine stands out by offering multiple resistance experiences. Users can choose between magnetic resistance for quiet, controlled workouts or water resistance for a more realistic rowing sensation. This versatility appeals to households with varied preferences. Water resistance provides a fluid, dynamic stroke that increases naturally with effort, closely resembling real rowing. Meanwhile, the magnetic option allows quieter sessions and more predictable intensity. The transition between modes expands workout possibilities without requiring multiple machines. Comfort and design are thoughtfully addressed. The seat is contoured for extended use, and the handle and rail system promotes smooth movement. The frame feels sturdy, supporting confident, stable strokes. Despite its dual-function design, the machine maintains a home-friendly footprint. Bluetooth connectivity and app support elevate the experience, enabling workout tracking and interactive training features. For users motivated by digital coaching or performance logs, this adds meaningful value. While not as specialized as high-end, dedicated water rowers, Yasuda's hybrid approach offers flexibility, making it attractive for families or individuals seeking variety without a premium price tag. Product number 5. Winokur Magnetic Rower Machine. The Winokur Magnetic Rower Machine emphasizes durability and accessibility, particularly with its notable 350-pound weight capacity. This higher limit often signals a reinforced frame, contributing to overall stability and user confidence across a broader demographic. The magnetic resistance system ensures quiet operation and smooth stroke mechanics. Multiple resistance levels allow users to tailor workouts from light, rehabilitation-style sessions to more demanding cardio routines. The glide motion is controlled and consistent, which benefits beginners focusing on technique. Ergonomics are a strong point. The seat cushioning, handle design, and footrest adjustability combine to create a comfortable rowing posture. This helps reduce strain and supports longer, more productive workouts. The machine's layout is generally compact, aligning with home gym expectations. App support enhances engagement by enabling progress tracking and structured training options. While the onboard display remains relatively simple, the connected features compensate for users who prefer guided experiences. Overall, the Winokur rower delivers a balanced mix of sturdiness, quiet performance, and digital integration, making it a compelling choice for users prioritizing stability and value in a home setting.